Hey, and I will be showing you how to take care of your budgie. Here's my budgie. And what food you need to buy, I will also be telling you. Okay, we have her because he just... Oh, he did not wet his pants. He didn't wet anything really. This bird spilled the water when we had a bath. Yes, I have a bird monster. Okay, no I don't. Okay, this bird is tame. I do not know how. Seriously. First day, already tame. See, that's why I do not trust my bird to fly. She's a little poopy. She did some... Okay, in there. Okay. So she basically uses the floor as the toilet. She thinks... you know what she imagines this is the world's largest cage and she's like part of it and she's... Anyways. And she's like, shh, it's the same way as a cage, you poop on the floor and everything. No, you don't. Anyways, what you need is, I'm just gonna, okay, she won't come off my hand, she won't move. There we go. Okay, so what we have here is a crowbone. She might not eat it, but so she ate out of it. Anyway, this is Toshi, whatever. I have some treat, which is cereal. She loves it. Let's see. She really actually doesn't usually always eat it. I don't give it too much, but look how much she loves it. I don't know if you see, but she's biting it. Anyways, so yeah, that's that. The next thing we have is food with the maid. I'm just gonna let him perch. Okay, here. No, not in there. See, she usually thinks when I give the perch, she thinks I let her. This is a perch, just fine. Anyways, so yeah, here's it. And the food I am. Yeah, there, she perched. Hoping not pooped. I want to just put a towel there. Okay, so she ate. Okay. So here's the food. Do not know if you see, but I'm just going to get a bit of it. That's what it looks like. Oh man. She looks adorable when she closes it. Anyways, that's what you will need. Up. Okay. I'm gonna give her a treat because she's stood up. About her today. And that's really why I'm really excited. Yumi. Okay, so there. I have this thing that's okay, she usually flies to her cage. Okay, here she is. But that's probably because I actually either do something wrong or squeeze her teeth. She probably did something wrong or probably just did this and did that and she did it. Anyways. I'm gonna perch. Yeah, so there she is. There, that's her perch, probably. Oh man, she jumped! Look, she's gonna climb over that. If she does. No, she doesn't really always do that. I'm gonna do a feather check, no matter how much she bites or anything really. Let's see, I have her wings. So if you want to train her the power to the wings, I say wings. And they will wings. Wings. Okay, so she likes her cage. Here. Okay, so she likes the top of her cage. I'm gonna let her play. Wings. Now, wings. Wings. I try to actually just wings. Wings. Oh my god, she has feathers already! Okay, I'm gonna put this up and check. Close. Close. Yes, close. 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 Okay, this one. That was my favorite. Come on! Yay! You already learned a new trick. Okay. So now. Well then, let's go for this. She didn't do the best story, so I'm not gonna give her anything for that. But she did a few tricks before, so I'm gonna hope she likes this. Okay. Anyways, there's the bird. Okay, so there she is. And I think she wants to drink, so I'm gonna lift up the drink bar. You want a drink? Don't you? You want a drink or what? No, I'm not forcing you to. Lift it over now. Okay, so she wants to drink. Anyways, let her climb the cage. Okay, so what you need to do. Okay, you want to click this paper. Clean paper. So clean that it does not have even. I'm going to take her off gently and use a piece of paper. Right paper? It's wood. It's healthy. See, that's already a nice toy for them. Look, serious. There's the bird. Here's the bird and here's the paper. Look. Turn around. There. You want it? You want it? There she's. There, she's biting. Anyways, you get the point. I want to bite this or not. Well. Stinky bird. Kidding. Adorable little bird. I love when she feels silent. Anyways, I will. I'm gonna put it down. I guess, the other thing in is to know how to train them. Hey, there she is. The room is really messy, so there she is. Birdie. No, we are not on the floor. Do not do any poopies. Tell you, don't do any poopies. If you need to go poopy, go somewhere else. Anywhere except my clothes and bed. So yeah, that's my bird. I'm proud of her. Okay, I'm proud that she actually got tamed one day. Okay, I'm gonna try and train her the wings trick. Wings, 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 wings. There, that's already the wings trick. About this, cool down. Hey, I don't have the clicker thing. Wings, look. See here? Wings. 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 See, this is already the wings trick, so wings, but that's because I'm pushing it. You need to try. Wings. I'm gonna give her a check. I'm not gonna turn on the wings. I mean, she's not fully tamed. She's biting me, so she's not tame. I had a rabbit, and now she hates me because I did this on the first day, but no, I actually did it on the last day, on the weekend. And Sunday when we go on Monday. Что-то вот речки. Что-то вот с попугайчиком. Anyways. You boys are on the cliff. She's on the cage. I usually let her. Anyways, if you want to give your birds a treat, you can also crush cereal. So I'll get like a piece. Не летит. Не летит. Я на клетке. Вот, на клетке. Close, close, get close. 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 Close, close. Down, down. Okay, so I'm making this video way too long, so sorry about the long, but you can skip. You can skip it. Yeah, I should have said this a long time ago. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.